Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to give you some tips how to make your phone much safer. So switch off your camera anytime if you want and switch on if you need it. So at first what you have to do is go to the settings and found developer option. If you don't know how to do it, it will be next video. Then you need to find quick settings, developer titles, and sensor off and on. Now you have new option on your phone, sensor off, and if you switch off it and after try to use your camera, you will see nothing and nobody can see you. But if you need to take a picture of or video, you just can use your camera again. It's very convenient. You can do it anytime and be sure that nobody can connect to your camera now. Thank you friends for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.